Hi guys, Chandler Daggett here with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, and today we're going to talk about this brand new Galeon 430 HTC. So come with me as we do a quick walk through the boat. So we'll start right here at the swim platform. This is a hydraulic swim platform. One of the great features are these telescoping steps. Makes it really easy and safe to get on the swim platform. Here's another great feature. So this entire aft seat slides back, really expanding your cockpit space here. As always, on all Galeons, extra wide gunnels to make it safe to get to the front of the boat. Sliding glass doors. Actually an overlooked but very nice feature. Your main panel is right here, so you can get to all your switches, turn your battery on right away. You've got a high-low table here, and look at this. You've got outstanding salon transition into the cockpit outside. This is another, I love this layout with the Galeon. So you've got your galley here, but you're not out of the conversation with your guests. And as we step up to the helm, visibility. That's the word that you get. This is a V-drive boat. It is equipped with a bow thruster. Does have Volvo, twin Volvo, Penta, 435 horsepower D6s. As we make our way downstairs to the galley, everything you need to prepare for a day out on the lake or a weekend. Moving forward, we have the guest head here and the guest room. These do slide together, so you can make a single bed out of that. And then the forward VIP stateroom, along with a private head here. As in all Galeons, everything you see here, handmade in the factory. No excuses for quality here. This boat is solid, very well constructed. So again, guys, this is Chandler Daggett with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Come down and check this boat out. Take it for a test drive. You won't be disappointed. Any questions, you can check us out online at www.marinemax.com, or feel free to give me a call at 573-480-4549.